Assalamu alaikum. When we travel in the world, it is very convenient to have a global or a borderless mobile phone number. What is this phone number? It's an actual unique phone number that sits in an app in the mobile phone. All it needs is an internet connection to work. That can be through a Wi Fi, hotspot, or a data connection. I have used several of these types of phone numbers in US. Now I'm going to test them outside the US. Right now I am at Lahore Airport, that is in Lahore, Pakistan, and I'm sitting in the departure lounge. I'm trying to test out the phone service, see which one works outside the US. So I have this phone with the TextNow app and a few others. Oh, it says right AT&T Wi-Fi. Actually, I'm just giving it a hotspot connection. It's not even on Wi-Fi. Because I have AT&T service in the US, even though I'm in Pakistan right now, somehow it's saying AT&T Wi-Fi. I don't know why. Anyway, I want to go to TextNow. And TextNow. And I want to make a call. Let's see if I can put it on somewhere. Call. We'll call American Airlines. So let's call that. 800 433 7300. Alright, let's call. I'll turn on the speaker.
Thanks for choosing American Airlines. Your call may be monitored or recorded to ensure high-quality service. For faster service, especially when making or changing travel plans, try the American Airlines mobile app or our website at aa.com. If you're calling about travel booked through an agency,
this worked awesome. No problem at all. The Google Voice app. Go there. So let's see if I'm able to make that call. 1-800 433 7300. Alright, so let's go. So I'm able to make the call, but it's gonna, because I'm not on Wi-Fi, right? So it's gonna assign me a random different number. So that's the way the call is gonna go. And actually did not. It says call failed. So that did not work. All right. Now I'm going to try the Magic Jack. Which is this one. All right, so we're going to go there. And I'm going to call American Airlines. 1-800 433 7300. I'll see what happens. Turn on the speaker. Okay, speaker.
Airlines. Your call may be monitored or recorded to ensure high-quality service. For faster service, especially when making or changing travel plans, try the American Airlines mobile app or our website at aa.com. If you're calling about travel booked through an agency, please contact the agency directly.
So that worked perfectly. There was no issue there. Okay. Now let's try the Skype app. See, that works. So go to Skype. And dial American Airlines. 1-800. Alright, that was the announcement. So I'm going to call American Airlines and turn on the speaker.
Your call may be monitored or recorded to ensure high-quality service. For faster service, especially when making or changing travel plans, try the American Airlines mobile app or our website at aa.com. If you're calling about travel booked through an agency, please contact the agency directly. Thank you again for calling American Airlines. Great news! Did you know you can now do things like add a carry-on pet for flights within the U.S., request wheelchair service, and let
So
us know
you can
about
see
other
that the call
special
went
needs
through okay.
online.
It was no
Visit
problem.
aa.com
So that was awesome
to
too.
manage your trip and request additional service.
So there's a lot of announcement going on, but at least we saw that the call went through okay. There's no problem with it. So the Skype app also worked perfectly. Thanks for watching.